Hey there, welcome. This is your girl Sonia in the city of Chicago, local informative real estate broker with Conlon Real Estate, bringing you community information about Chicago and suburbs and also real estate info. So today we're talking about a property tax rebate that the city of Chicago is giving. We are already paying high taxes, so why not take advantage of this? There's a couple of requirements and I'm going to go through them. Now remember, this is time sensitive stuff. So this program started October 1st, and the property tax rebate application will be accepted throughout 25 locations, neighborhood locations in the city. The rebate is basically for working and middle-class families and seniors to give them tax relief from the increase needed to fund pensions of first responders. So you can get up to $200. You must apply in person, and the deadline, here it is November 30th. If you do get accepted to get the rebate, it's going to take between 6 to 8 weeks for you to actually get that paycheck, or that check, I should say, in the mail. So the requirements are basically be a Chicago homeowner, have been received, or if you have been receiving the homeowners exemption in the most recent year, which would be 2015, the household adjusted gross income of $75,000 or less in 2015, and a portion of the property taxes increase on most recent bills. As you know, the taxes have gone up. And also, of course, be current on your property taxes, not owe real estate taxes on any other property in Chicago, and making sure you don't owe the city, those parking tickets, those darn parking tickets. So I'm going to include this is just in my Word format here, but the actual site is up already, and with the city of Chicago. I will put the link in the description, and I will also write a quick blog about it if you just want to go to my website at www.csonia.com. But here it is right here with the city of Chicago, Chicago property tax rebate. Again, remember, it ends November 30th. This is really time sensitive, so make sure you take advantage. Talk to you later.